select this node 75 and then calculate. Click on OK. Foundation view. Click on foundation view. So this time I will use it as a single reinforcement. Sorry, isolated footing. Okay. So these are my default dimension, foundation results, foundation views. Okay. Go to foundation views and set the parameters. One-way shear, two-way shear, phi and using safety factor 1. Okay, concrete I will use as 30. Okay, longitudinal reinforcement 420, transverse reinforcement 420, and additional reinforcement 420, and save it as okay, and then okay. Reinforcement pattern, I go for this type of minimum. Okay, go to pier, click on this double bars, steel type as angular reinforcement, as transparent double bars, as a longitudinal reinforcement. Yes, it's okay. And then shapes you can change if you want to. Hooks only if necessary. Okay, now go to load definition, soil definition. So for a soil, this is well graded gravels. I will use it as a poorly graded soil, level 00, and I will add also well graded gravels. Okay, and its height is 1.5 meter. Okay, its value is 2000. Click on apply. Okay, and close this one. Now go to calculate. And change from foundation results. These are the results. These are my load combination loads. Okay, foundation reinforcement. Click on this. Okay, and check. So these are my reinforcement. Select. Okay, these are the double bars. Yes, okay. Numbers. Go to foundation nodes. These are the code. geotechnical design, soil, poorly graded. These are the stress calculation, design soil pressure, foundation weights, design combination, one dead load, one super dead load, one super dead, one super land, one live load, 0.7 seismic and also a wind load. My is this one, mx is this one, cell pressure, design load calculation, area, load factors, thickness, stress, additional settlement differential. Okay. Analysis of one-way and two-way shear. Punching force. Critical parameter be naught. D. Okay, top. So this is my dimension. E is equal to 3.5 meter, B is equal to 3.05 meter, H1 is this and H2 is this, and you can check. So this is my isolated footing. If you want to go as a combined footing, select this one and also select these two nodes, click on this, okay, go to structure view, go to structural model, geometry, go to plan, go to base and select these two nodes, 3D view, click on OK. Do you want to design one split footing with two columns? Yes. Click on combine footing. 27 and 83. 7. Let's go and calculate. No, it's okay. All the foundation notes. Okay, change the parameters. Concrete 30, longitudinal force 420, transverse 420, longitudinal 420. Click on OK. Go to low pattern. Change this one. Here, click on this double bar. Connect to column walls. Yes. Shapes. OK. Go to soil definition. Change it to well graded and head to rocky. This is 2 meter. Apply and close this one. Now go to calculate. Go to reinforcement. So this is my combined footing design. Okay, these are the double bars. Everything. This is the foundation notes. Okay, you can see it with detail. Okay, go to structure and check.